Your Amazon listing keeps going inactive due to pricing. Let's fix that. So you can see an example of a pricing error right on my screen. It says the listing's deactivated due to a detected pricing error. And most of the time, this is automatic, right? And then it'll say a high pricing error. Now, we were able to fix this pretty quickly for one of our clients. And one of the fixes is putting a minimum and maximum price, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do. So what you're going to do is going to Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go into your inventory, right? And then you're simply going to go into preferences right here. So click on preferences. Once you click on preferences, you're going to turn on minimum price and maximum price. Once you turn those on, go back into your inventory and then set a minimum and maximum price. This may fix your issue, right? Obviously, it might not, but usually once you do this within an hour, it should automatically fix the error. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is you're going to go onto the top and type in unblock listings that have pricing errors. So type this in, and then there's actually a tool. So let's actually do this together. So we're going to click search. And then there it is, unblock listings that have pricing errors. Click on this, and then it's automatically going to take you to this page. And then it's going to help you troubleshoot and help fix the issue for you. Now, if it still doesn't, and read these policies too, so you can troubleshoot it. So that's another way. I'm trying to show you as many ways as possible to fix this. Now, if it still doesn't work, right, what you can do is you're going to contact Amazon seller support. Now, you do need to make it idiot proof for them. So a screenshot of the error, give them your ASIN, give them your SKU, give them a manufacturer link. So they need a link. So if you're telling them that, hey, this tennis ball is supposed to be $100, right? It's the best tennis ball. They're not going to believe you. But if you send them to the manufacturer's website, let's say it's wilson.com, and it shows your tennis ball and it's $100, they're going to believe you. And then they're going to override it, right? So that's what you're going to need to do is send them some type of link. Make sure you chat with them and call them. If you just email them back and forth, it's just going to take a lot longer. But that's pretty much the gist on fixing this, right? And of course, if you are selling on Amazon, you can get a free listing audit right in our description. Head to our website. Once you're at our website, fill this out, and then we will be doing a free audit for your listing. If your listing's just not generating sales, we're going to look at your top competitors, show you how much money they're making per month, also help you improve your first photo, your secondary images. This is just something for free. And the best part is we're going to be completely honest with you on how you can improve your listing. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I really recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're pretty much answering every question, making a video about everything. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, you can contact us. The link's right in the description to contact us. We also have full management service. But anyway, I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.